Hey kids, it's toothbrushing time. Come and listen to our fun little rhyme. All it takes is 2 minutes of brushing, and you'll have the brightest smile in all of the land. Toothbrushing is easy and it's quick to do. All you need is a toothbrush and some toothpaste too. You can choose between strawberry, bubblegum, and mint. Got a favorite flavor? Give your parents a hint. Brush first thing in the morning and last thing at night to keep your smile sparkling and bright. Okay kids, are you ready? It's time to brush our teeth. Here we go. Step 1, squeeze some toothpaste on your brush. All you need is a little, no need to rush. When you've got a blob of paste the size of a pea, then it's time to start brushing. So follow me. Step 2, brush from the back to the front of your mouth. From molars to canines, move carefully about. Brush from back to front, brush side to side. Have your parents check your teeth open wide. Keep brushing until 2 minutes are done, right about at the end of our little song. Step 3, it's super important to rinse out your mouth. That's how we get all the toothpaste and mucky stuff out. We never swallow our toothpaste, even if it tastes good. You finished brushing, that's great. I knew that you could.